please give away the award. She gets a mobile phone by Lego, a Sanaz gift hamper, a trophy, and a certificate. We will have. Please continue the clapping. Do not stop clapping. The sound should always be there in my ears. Do not stop clapping. Please continue the round of applause here. It should not stop because we have a lot more awards to be given. Okay, so now moving on to the special category awards. I will start with the best player in batting. She gets a coin, a Sanaz gift hamper, a trophy, and a certificate. So this award will be given by Imran sir and Firoz bhai. May I please have you here? And the award goes to. Can we have any guesses? None other than Prajakta. Brilliant half century, and she gets the best bats player of the award for batting in this whole tournament. She scored 60 runs in a single match, and she was unbeaten. Esquina, esquina, y ahí nos vamos. El mundo es grande, pero lo tengo en mis manos. Estoy muy duro, sí. Okay. So there's a silver coin, a Sachin Tendulkar silver coin, 45 that she gets for her brilliant effort in batting. So that's quite an achievement. And Imran sir really wanted to say something about Prajakta.
Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, it was amazing experience since morning, and I must say